What is color? Blue, red, or pink? At Pebeo, we believe colors are way more than pigments. We believe colors are feelings, sunsets and discoveries, sparkling glitters and lush summers. And we believe there are still millions of colors to discover. Because for Pebeo, colors are not just shades and gradients. Colors are made to wake up your senses and challenge your vision of the world. A world where colors and nature are one. Colors are here to open your mind more than your eyes. And to always push further the boundaries of your imagination. This is why at Pebeo, we don't only make the finest pigments. We drew into our 100 years of savoir-faire to create new colors and guide every artist through this fantastic world where imagination meets its canvas. Pebeo, innovation for imagination.